for the violas, for les Echassiers. This is just the first part. Okay, so we're in D major, which means we have an F sharp and we have a C sharp. So on your C string, you're going to be playing an F sharp, which is, so not your third finger where you normally put it. It's going to be much closer to that line for your fourth finger. Okay. And then on the G string, you'll be G with an A and a B. And instead of being here at C, you're going to be, again, here for C sharp, closer to the sticker for your fourth finger. Okay, we start with 2 A's as minims. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 4, 2, A, 4, 2. Now, do you think you could play with your fourth finger, the D? D, 2, D, D, then C sharp, B, B, G, F sharp, F sharp. I'll play that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to start on the D string. I'll go from the beginning and I'm going to go up to bar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be careful of the changing time signature. Sometimes you have 4/4, sometimes you have 3/4, and sometimes you have 5/4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's your practice.